How to turn off overlapping labels on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to turn off overlapping labels on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen. Click on this price scale. Once you click on it, now tap on More Settings. Now scroll down and you can see the option for no overlapping labels. You want to turn it off, right? Now just check this box and click on OK. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna turn off overlapping labels on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.